what is more important practically. لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. La'alla in Arabic means perhaps it can happen. Maybe that you can get falah. But because it is from Allah, it's a royal type of address. When the king says to somebody, well, we are sending you on that expedition. If you are successful, maybe that we raise your level from 30,000 Hazari to 50 Hazari. These were the ranks in the course of the Mughals. 30 Hazari Mansabdar, 50 Hazari Mansabdar, 20 Hazari Mansabdar. Maybe if you return successful, we raise your level. Now here maybe is a promise. Because the king is saying so. It's the royal style of saying some things. Royal style of promising something. Maybe if you are successful, we raise your level. We raise your status. We make you the governor of that most important province. Maybe. But this maybe is a definite promise. That is why we translate in Quran, la'alla. When la'alla comes from Allah, it is a promise from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.